In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause OneDrive syncing on Windows using the 2025 desktop interface. Pausing OneDrive can be really helpful when you need all your bandwidth for a video call, a big download, or when you're working on files you don't want to upload just yet. While syncing is paused, OneDrive won't upload or download changes, but your files remain accessible on your computer, and anything already in the cloud stays exactly where it is. When you're ready, you can resume with a single click. Let's walk through it. First, look to the bottom right corner of your screen. In the System tray, find the OneDrive cloud icon there. When you click that cloud icon, the OneDrive menu opens, showing your recent activity and shortcuts. Next, in that menu, click Help and Settings, which appears as a small gear icon. This opens a list of options related to your account and app controls. From this menu, click Pause Syncing. You'll be prompted to choose how long you want syncing paused. You can select 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. Pick the duration that fits your task. For a short focus session or a brief upload elsewhere, 2 hours is often enough. If you're editing large files or running a long meeting, 8 hours can be more convenient. And if you're traveling or working offline for the day, 24 hours gives you the longest uninterrupted stretch. Once you choose a duration, OneDrive will immediately pause syncing. You may see the cloud icon update to indicate it's paused, and your files will stop uploading or downloading until the timer runs out. Don't worry, your files on your computer remain available, and anything already synced to the cloud stays intact. Just remember that changes you make locally won't appear in the cloud or on other devices until syncing resumes. If you finish early and want to turn syncing back on before the time ends, it's just as easy. Click the OneDrive cloud icon again, go to Help and Settings, and choose Resume Syncing. OneDrive will pick up where it left off and start syncing any changes that accumulated while it was paused. A quick tip: if you rely on automatic backups for important documents, make a habit of resuming syncing once your high bandwidth task or meeting is over, so your latest changes are safely saved to the cloud. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.